Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. With festivities, St. Dominic's High Secondary School celebrates its 29th annual sports meet. Shillong Clan Association venerates 3 MLAs belonging to the clan. Achig refuses to back down on the demands relating to the roster system. And HYC demands the review of the roster system. Another news in detail. As it is a sports season, various schools in different districts of the state have celebrated its sports meet in the past months. Similarly, with joy and enthusiasm, St. Dominic High Secondary School, Maukundeng, celebrated its 29th annual Inter-House Sports Meet 2023 on the 13th of April, which will last for 2 days. Chief guest Salbina Sirti from Raliang graced the occasion in the presence of the Principal, Reverend Carmel Murthong, Secretary, Father Henry Warba, Headmaster, Father Donboklang Kurba, teachers, students, parents and spectators. The celebration was all the more joyous with the encoring sounds of the students cheering for their own respective teams, that is the red, blue, yellow and green house. March past was conducted by the students of different classes, both boys and girls. The sports meet was opened by the chief guest Salbina Sirti, and the occasion was followed by the lighting of the sports torch and the pledge of the athletes. With the march past contingents performing their part, drills and events took place soon after, wherein young students performed their different items including the Shat Pliang or the Jantia dance.
Sister Lina, Sister IT Hun, Sister Stella, the sister in charge, dear Sister Sista, I stand here to extend a warm welcome to all of you. We are indeed privileged to have you, dear Madam, here. From the information that I received, I got the information that you also were a past people of the school, and we are indeed glad that you are here today, back to the school, not as a student any longer. We are indeed privileged to have you here today. I welcome once again to all the invitees and the guests. All the best, dear students. I wish a happy day, I wish an enjoyable day as we commemorate the annual sports day of the school. Welcome once again and God bless you.
Now, the hoisting of the school flag. Now we shall have the hoisting of the school flag. May I invite our chief guest. As the school flag is raised, let us St. Dominic is open now. Thank you. Lighting of the torch symbolizing unity and celebrating a common message of sportsmanship, of peace and friendship. The winners of the marathon 2023, Ms. Haini Wanki Mamba. Let us give a big round of applause.
With a true sportsman's spirit, abiding by the rules and regulations of sport, for the smooth functioning of the meet, and the glory of sport.
To do now and do it. Lebha, stay blessed. God bless you. All the best. Thank you, friends.
Ini kena sekolah ini champion haga sports kenobi student yang ini.
Our past brings peace for today and creates a vision for tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our school of Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School, Maukandeng, I deem it a great honor and privilege to extend a word of thanks on this occasion of the 29th Annual Inter-House Sports Meet 2023. Let me first of all start by giving glory to God Almighty for making today's occasion a resounding success. Gratitude can transform days into thanksgiving, turns routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunity into blessings. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Ibina Serti, who had given us such a beautiful, short but to the point message, especially being part and parcel of our home here. We have heard the expression of ma'am. She herself understands the pains, the aches, especially standing in the sun, and especially for having given us
On the 13th of April, The Sengkur Shilla Khasi Jantia or the Shilla clan, Khasi Jantia Association, venerated the 3 MLAs who belonged to the Shilla clan who had won in the MLA elections for 2 terms in a row. The MLAs include Wailat Miki Shilla, NPP from Jowai constituency, and Kerman Shilla, UDP, Kleriat constituency, and another MLA who had won for the first time, Santa Mary Shilla, NPP from Saipung Sutengah constituency. The veneration of the 3 MLAs by the Shilla clan was done in one of the MLA's residence, that is Wailat Miki's residence in Barik, Shillong. Present and witnessing the gathering were Prakhat Shilla, president of the Shilla clan, leaders of the clan including the senior members, men, women and youngsters of the Shilla clan.
Di Panongkong kumiru kuntai na baga district jongi na po Chantia but nila ro panong bahune bagalong kai ke ba let's say bona ki prapo jongi ki por ki pangipat nyo ga bot let's say ki ba atatin mo panjok na mar ba ngile kalong ba trim ha na mar ha panile ba sitting MLA ba sitting MP ba sitting MDC baro ay mo ndeng islo kemen mo ba kataro iya ka jingjob asno ka borom yang kum ka ko di bro away ba nimra ro banden kindiat habiat dai begini election kita sa bro ini lai mut ke MLA jongi ni ngasno kimen ka jing sisa ba oi ngem ong bangile politics ka kor jongi ndai kamsen kor ka don be iyo ke jing chan thrai bro ini ki nikmat yung
Aceh Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima, Aceh, arranged a meeting on the 13th of April to discuss on the roster system and second capital in Tura. The meeting was flooded with dozens of participants, which includes students, NGOs and concerned citizens. Vice President of the Aceh organization, Graneth M. Sangma, leading the discussion, mobilized the Aceh people for a greater cause. He exclaimed that only the year 1972 was to be considered for the cut-off and no excuse on the matter should be compromised. Many people who joined the discussion agreed to take the matter to the streets if the rights and entitlement of the Garos are subdued due to illogical cut-off date. On the other hand, the Aceh and the concerned citizens of South Garo Hills demanded that Tura should be made the second capital of the state immediately with all the attached office from Tura rather from Shillong. The 2 points of demand is supposed to be fought simultaneously in the coming days on the organization as well as the people of Bakmara. On the 13th of April, leaders of the Neutrab Youth Council submitted a memorandum to the Chief Secretary of the state regarding the review of the roster system. The President of the Union, Robert June Kharjaran, informed that the Union expects the government to effectuate the roster prospectively, which means that if the government wants to set the cut-off date as per the instructions by the court order on the 3rd of May 2022, it should function from the day it was initiated. He added that, according to the office memorandum of the government, it states that it will review the effect of the roster. He also mentioned if the office memorandum is to be altered, it is solely in the authority of the cabinet, and the union hopes in a meeting which will be held for all political parties, it will yield positive results.
Mat ke di ke baklok. Ya ke bakadon ke jing sedang bantung baklok lani ya kita ke jing kau ya kita ki on field post jong kana kana kategori ya ka baki kwa bantung. Ni lapan kan mau chief secretary bakat kum ke reservation policy. Kadon ka bentah po ka reservation policy ke boong bala da kadon kana ke kategori. Ke bomla ban pendap ya kana ke post. Ya kata ka post in yo no da ka we kategori but haka jing tep kam ka ban wan pat and adjust ya ka. Tinri la damla ban tep pat hakata ka jing tep kam ka ban wan kata ka post ka laps no. Tinggi lapan kan mau ba ka policy ha ba ka declare laps te kumno menta phi tep baklok la ne phin phai sadin ban pendap e tu post. Ti ka kutro la da phin pek bahaya ka odor jong court jong ka high court ko ong ba la da ka don ka no ka discrepancy la ne ka jing le bom hok ye no re no. Phi ka jing bom yo ban tep ye ki post da kano ka kategori kala bendai ka garu kategori la ne ka da ST kategori la da phi phai kalong kam dei namar ba ki sa pendu jubor ka dei namar ba kim qualify la ne kim don bro tena ta kadau kamut kam don kita ka injustice la ne ka don kita ka jingle bom hok persya ki kam don ka dei namar ba kim don bro pat kim qualify ti kata ka discrepancy kam arise tiga polisi ru kasya balada ka no kan kategori kam dabru ha no for kasya ba ka we kategori kan let sa ka we kategori tiga polisi kasya ta kamut kam don ka discrepancy dan ni kam don kan no ka jing sya le bom hok jong kan no kategori wat lada hakini kisnem ki kum ga jep ru khasi jentia ka jongi ka tam ki nom tre ban compare ba ki we kam dei nomor ba le don bor hari ka dei nomor ba kim don but nalor ba kim don ka polisi ka sya ba ka we kategori kan le sya ka we kategori but dia kata andala adjust ndrei lada kimla sa usnem ban wan ru ka laps no ka yap no kata dei ka we ka bangi la keren halor ka baklok but sa ka balai ka bangi la pen kan mau ka ne ka memorandum ka jongi chap secretary kolong ba POE ha kini ki khendiat tayo ki ladon ki district recruitment agency kawai na po West Khasil kawai na po East Khasil hakaba ki advertise ya ki post but hakata ka jing advertise ya ka post ki alot la ka jong ya ka khasi jentia kategori ba de garu kategori ten rela fen pek kum ga reservation policy ka ong ba haki district post grade 3 grade 4 jong ka district post hapo khasi jentia hil ka di bandan ka combine 80% ya ki khasi jentia kan bah garu hil ke di bandan ke combine 80% ye ki garu kungkut hi kala ong kumbangi ong api na hatu senam kat kendai spa kendai pusan kes jong haka tuga kus jong sabrawal ang tuga kan sai baga di belong perspektif tila da wat nak leng jongi ong wat nada ki don ki jing bom sai haka order jong ka honorable high court jong clear haning tai ri ka wingi di besut hu kolong habaka don kalau department bad abaka don ki rai jong sumput ka bahaba ngin sim beda kata mabli kum ba fitip hi kolong ba kada ka rai jong sumput ke di ka banding habarok jong ka wiga ri India ka bakan thup opo jong ka Meghalaya tinat kadau ngi la keren sai ya kan Henry kumbo ong api dei ki wei ki issue kum ka baklok issue kala answer ka polisi hi ya kata ngim do kam ban ya cukut kata ka polisi hi ka ong ba kila laps no kila kut no ti pin issue kum no ya ka balaya kata de wei kum ya ka district post ka ong ba ka di bandan kampanye ti ha ba ka di polisi ka di bandan kampanye ti kum no pi secret at the level jong ki district khasi jentia la ka jong garul ba jong ti ki don imat ka don gajing bom sai ha bobon ki liang ti nak liang jong secretary ong ni ba sa pangsa law department ban study lot ula shim itu ki judgment na niru ti Henry habukut hi kuma pitip kolong ba ka jing pentrikam ya ka roster kumba kalong mata ka sedang na ko OM jong ka government ti ya ka tu ko OM jong government ka bala pas ho banai mi arjar ko ar la ban penbek tang ha ka label jong kabinet la ban penbek tang ha ka label jong kabinet na mobli pas hida ke kabinet ya tu hot lada ki yakren ha all party meeting ka kambah susu nomor ladon lang bat ruling bat opposition bat KMLA bob dan kabinet bat lada phira ya kene ka kam ha po legislative assembly kumba dawa ka tu ka ni parti ru ka kambah susu ngam ong ba kamlong rei ban pen kala kamut la ban pen kala tang na ka kabinet ru la amdi bom la kabinet ru kala landri la dala ban ra ka all party meeting la ni ka assembly ka khamba ka kham janai di Henry ka badon kam kolong ba phiakren ha kano ka label ru na ka le ka seng ngim su pher ta ka badon kam kolong ba ka dei ban bet no ka ni kam dei ban sa dum kum ne kum ba kalong ta.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.